Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm showing you how I make our Jamaican coconut drops. So I'm starting off with a little bit of coconut with some shredded fresh ginger to some boiling water, and I'll let that boil for about 30 minutes. Then this is optional, some almond essence, and the reason why I use that is just to get the coconut drops a little bit more tastier. You can probably add, vanilla if you so desire. Then I go in with a 1.5 cup of brown sugar, and my brown sugar is a little bit on the darker side, so my drops are gonna be a little bit darker, and I'm also using less coconut, so it'll look a little bit darker. So you want your mixture or your liquid to subside to more like a syrupy thing, like right here. And then now you're just gonna line your surface with parchment paper, and then you're gonna just spoon this mixture. So you're spooning it, and then what I forgot to do is just heap it with the spoon as quick as I let it drop, so then I would not have that extra excess liquid forming at the edges. But then when it's cool, you can break it off. So